Good morning, everyone. It's Jenny. I'm back with another haul video. A couple of my packages came in recently, so I thought I'd share with you what I picked up. I actually ordered from a few new stores that I've never ordered from before, so I wanted to just share with you because they're by other crafters and small businesses. So we all have to support each other so that we can have a variety of supplies to get, right? I'm a big advocate for small business, so I try to support other businesses when I can, and also I like to support if it's a fellow crafter. Anyway, so let me just show you what I got. I did pick up some things from AliExpress, and I think I shared with you the last time I got these, and I had ordered this set by accident from another store, which I didn't realize I did. So now I have another set of these Christmas trees. These are the ones I saw that Tara had put into the packaging of whatever I had ordered earlier from her. So now I have extra of the white and the multicolored packs. And then, oh, did you just hear that thunder? Okay, so I guess I better hurry up before my lights go out. Okay, and then this is an order that I got from it. I don't know, it has like several names on AliExpress. One of them was like YPP store, and then I think the last one I just saw on their actual page said like Hello Bella or something. I think that's what it was called. Yeah, Hello Bella. So you can search for that store if you want to find these things. But this is I got both, so I could do like shakers if I wanted to. So this is like a butterfly, and then the matching backing, which I love that when they give that, you know, option. It's also good even if you don't want to make shakers. It's good if you just have the base that you can cut in like printed paper, and then you can cut this with like a gold or gold glitter or something, and it looks really pretty if you do that. So I got that, and I like that it comes in a variety of sizes. I probably use this size the most, but sometimes you do need a larger size. This is the main reason why I wanted to order from them. I actually thought I ordered this from the Chaos Craft store, or one of the stores that Nicole from Nicole Silhouette has designs for, but I don't know if she designs for these guys. But anyway, I've been wanting a roller skate die for a while. I did get the ice skate die, and I think I don't know if that one is the same size, but it is quite big. So you have to put it on like a little bit bigger project. It could still fit on a card though, but I really want like a smaller version. I did ask her for it, but she said that sometimes when you're designing, you're not able to make it smaller. It's harder for them to make a die that'll look like that item. So anyway, but I'm happy to just get the roller skate because you know that I'm on like a retro kick. So I got the cassette tape, I got the record player, and now I have the roller skate. So now I can probably design a project or two. Oh, and I got the PlayStation or Nintendo kind of set. Okay, and then this I thought was really cute. It's actually a shaker die for a phone. I think it's a phone. See, so this is the phone, and then here's a smaller version of the phone. And these are like not chats, but like, you know, like when you text each other. So there's one bubble here and one bubble there, and that's what these are. I guess these two. And then I don't know what this is. It kind of looks to me, I gotta go back and look. It kind of looks to me like it's a little clipboard. Like you can make it look like a clipboard. I think that's why I might have bought it. But I also like the fact that you can make it a cell phone shaker. Again, I don't know what these other pieces are, but I thought it was a cute set. And then you get the like the old-fashioned Barbie head, so that's really cute. That reminds me of not Disco Dolly, Crafty Barbie. I think there's a crafter on YouTube with that name. Yeah. Okay, and then I also purchased this is from Tonic, and I like that it comes in this sleeve. I didn't know that they sell their stuff in that. Like, if you buy a lot from them, I'm guessing that they always package it this way, which is a really great idea in terms of storage. I don't have a binder that will fit this, so I'd probably have to go look for one, but I really like that. I think that that's a great way to store your wafer thin dies. Anyway, so this is the infamous coffee mug. If you are in the PHA crafters group on Facebook, I actually posted about it to give everybody a heads up, because it's a limited amount. It's the designer's choice. I guess they only make so many when it's the designer's choice. And I saw a couple of crafters feature it on their channel. And it's basically a 3D coffee, like a to-go coffee cup. And I've been wanting the cut file for a long time. I think I saw Tony, who is Craft Purge, I think it was her, make one of them. And I just really wanted to make one. But I'm not very good at the Cricut or the Silhouette. So instead of, I did, have it in my cart, but I didn't buy it. And so when I saw the die, I was like, oh my god, this is like totally up my alley. So I ended up getting the die. So you have to cut, I think, 3 of each, so you have 6. And then I think this is the top part that sits on this is, I think, the lid. And then this is like the sides of the cup. So you gotta cut several. And then it comes with, like, I don't even know what that says. All you need is love and coffee. Oh, that's cute. You are my special blend. Oh, that's cute. There's a lot of sentiments in here too. And then this looks like the label for, like the band. So anyway, and then it has the instructions, which is awesome. So I'm pretty happy. This is actually from Tonic. It's not available anymore, so I don't know if they'll ever bring it back. But that's why, if you were in that group, I mentioned it in case people were interested in it. Okay, so I also ordered from a new company to me, and I think she's a fellow crafter. This is from Birch and Company. I don't know, I can't remember who it is. I hear people talking about it, like Eileen and Christian. I want to say her name is Brandy. Sorry if it's not Brandy. If it's you, then can you tell me what your name is? Sorry, I couldn't find it on the website. Anyway, so I did order a few items, and what caught my eye was this, what is it called? Clipboard die. So it's totally Christian's fault. Because she was showing it on one of her lives. I can't remember. It must have been a Disney one. And then, but I'm like, I know I have that die because I had it before. And then I looked and I must have destashed it. So it's not, I don't know if it's still like easy to find, but I was looking for it on AliExpress and I couldn't find the die that I think Christian has. I don't think this is the same one, but I do remember liking the Tim Holtz one, so I decided to just get it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look how she packages it, like with all the little shred, and love that. Oh my gosh. And then I also, oh, she wrote me a little card. I got this a little while ago, but I just haven't had the feeling to film anything. Thank you so much for your order and supporting my small business. I hope you... Oh, Brandy. Hi, Brandy. Aw, thank you, Brandy. That was so nice to include a card. Okay, and then I think this is a freebie because I didn't order beads from her. So she gave me some beads. That's so cute. And I think these are dewdrops. That's so cute. But I really like the shred. It's so... I like how she like put the different colors. Okay, so back to the die. So this die is a Tim Holtz die. So you do need that tray that goes in, and then you run it through your Big Shot. So I do still have the tray, but this one I think you can, what you call it, you can cut, because it's that thicker one, you can cut like chipboard and other things. But I think Christian cut it with like mirrored cardstock, and I'm like, I need to do that. So I bought that. And then the other thing I got is, I've been kind of looking at this collection, and I don't know why, but it appeals to me. Oh, I know why. Because it's totally retro. Okay, so it's by Simple Stories, and it's called Kate and Ash. And I like the colors. It's really bright. And I think the designs are super cute. So I'm a real Simple Stories fan. Like, and this is why I liked it, because it's like super retro. So it has like, I don't know if that's a Walkman or a cassette tape. Of course, it has like the coffee stuff, and then the camera. Look at the eyelashes. That's so cute. Anyway, I just thought that it was really cute. And then, I don't know if I bought everything separate. I might have. I think you had to buy everything. It wasn't a kit. Yeah, I bought it separately. So I did get the chipboard. And I'm sad that this thing fell behind because I wanted to show you what it was. It looks like, the Friends font. See? It says, I'll be there for you. That's so cute. So I did get that, and then I got the ephemera. So I thought I could make, you know, a few projects using this. And it looks nice when you kind of coordinate everything. I'm learning that from all of you, because I never used to do that before. So that is from White Birch, and so I'll go check to see what else they have. And then I did order from Andrea Bethke. Again, this is by Christian. Christian. See, you're on a no spend, and then you're making me spend all this money. Anyway, so this is, I just wanted to show you the packaging because it's really cute. And then she even had instructions. So, you know, I guess, like, people like me need that, because otherwise I'll probably slit right through the paper. Okay, so as I was watching one of Christian's live, she was sharing how she got this package from Andrea, and I ended up just placing an order. I wasn't going to, but like, again, I like to support small business, and as she was showing it, I really liked a lot of the designs. She specializes in doing a lot of like Disney inspired or influence or whatever you call it, items like in her artwork. And Disney and me go way back because my sister used to work for Disney, so I kind of liked a lot of her stuff. So, but I did mostly just get this one collection. It's called My Magical World, and I liked a lot of the designs. So you can buy like a kit. She has several kits. She has like a planner kit and a regular scrapbooking kit. She also has like a big package, and I don't know, like there were so many options. I wasn't sure what to do. The other thing I liked about this is I felt like it was a little bit of crafting too that was influencing it, and it has a lot of bright colors, and it has some retro things like the record player here, down here, that kind of stuff. So, and then I love the pennants, the craft. So, you know, I was like, oh, I was kind of drawn into this collection. But what I did was, instead of purchasing the kit, because I didn't I like certain papers over others, and so instead of doing that, I just ended up picking my own papers and putting together what I wanted. So I did get the Ephemera Pack, which I think is super cute. I really like this Mickey head. I want to try and replicate that, and I think Ginger did that in one of her videos where you just do like faux stitching around the Mickey, and I thought that was cute. And then look, you get the little records. That's so cute. I don't even know what it says because my eyes are so bad. And then the pennants, of course, and then I love all the little crafty items. So this is really cute, and cameras and all of that. So I did get one of that, and then I think I only got one of some of them, and I got duplicates of the ones I really like. Okay, so I think I got this one because I wanted like one sheet of the cut aparts. This is really cute, this paper crafting. Making magic. Oh, that's really cute. So anyway, so I did get one sheet of this, and then of course you can cut apart all of the little pieces, and then there's this design on the back. This one I thought was really cute too, because it has all the houses, but then it has the castle. Look how cute. And then I love that she has like all the diverse races on the thing. That's so cute too. That's really cute. And then here's the backing, and then which I like that teal color. It's really pretty. And then I thought this was kind of fun. This would be really cute to make the backpack, I think, right? And then so again, there's that super cute castle. But I love how she mixed the crafty stuff with the Disney. I thought that was super fun. And then here's the back. It's the cherries. Here's the crafty girls again. It says crafty friends. sounds. That's so fun. And then I love the scissors. Hard because you can't always decide like which side you want to use. Okay, and then here's the cute castle. And on the back there's some unicorns. I actually think I like the castle. That just appeals to me a lot. Oh, and look at all my little pennants. So I bought 2 sheets of this mainly because I think I bought 2. Yeah, mainly because I want to cut out these so I can have extra embellishments. And then here's the back. 2 of those. I thought this one was really cute because it's like very retro. And then again, here's the record player. Super cute. Oh, and look at the back. I think that's why I bought this one because I like the records. I'm an old school girl. I'm old, that's why. My daughter tells me every day. Okay, and then this one is a bunch of tickets. I'm trying to find a ticket punch, you guys. I think that there is one out there. And then here's the back, which is super cute. And then yesterday I was watching Gina's, one of her participants on her challenge, and she had like an embossed ticket, embossing folder. I was like, what? So I went and I found it. I didn't order it yet, but it's in my cart. Here's another cut apart. This is funny. I like that. That's so cute. See? She gets us, you guys. Oh, this one is really cute. I really like this page. Did I only buy one? What's up with that? Okay. Well, anyway. Here's the Mickeys and polka dots. I think Christian used that on one of her coffee cups. This is so cute. These are really cute. And you know what? The paper quality is really good. Oh, I love me some folder paper. That's really cute. Oh, and then here's some alphas. And the strawberries. Oh, and you know, rainbows. I love rainbows. Here's the back. Oh, gosh, so much to look at. That's really cute. Oh, and here's some ombre. Oh, I think these are starting to repeat. I'm pretty sure I showed you. Oh, see, I did order double of some of them. Okay, so I think I showed you everything. Yeah. Okay, so these are just duplicates of what I have showed you already. So that is my haul for this week. I do have an Urban Gems order that I'm waiting for as well. And I'm waiting for my pre-orders to come in. But I think that's it for now. I haven't been shopping that much, but you know how it is. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.